Karen's daughter had been eyeing my backyard pool for months, as if it were a crown jewel she deserved, just for breathing the same air I did. I never imagined that a teenager could be so bold, barging into my yard, demanding access, and acting like the entire neighborhood belonged to her. Her mother, the infamous HOA Karen, had always tried to control everyone's property like a personal kingdom, and now it seemed her daughter had inherited the same entitlement. One hot summer afternoon, she stomped into my backyard wearing a smug grin, holding a clipboard as if she had legal authority, and declared she wanted to use my pool whenever she pleased. I calmly told her no, but she rolled her eyes and laughed, saying, "You don't even know who I am." That's when things started escalating. The next day, I noticed some letters slid under my door. Official-looking notices threatening fines and lawsuits if I didn't allow her access. I knew immediately this was Karen's attempt to bully me, but I also knew how far I could push back. I called my attorney, and after a few discreet conversations, I realized that this wasn't just about a pool anymore. It was about protecting my property rights and setting a precedent. But what could a single homeowner do against a rich, connected family that thought they were untouchable? Have you ever faced someone who thought money and influence could override the law? If so, you know exactly the mix of fear and determination I felt that morning when I decided to escalate things. I reached out to the state attorney's office to report harassment and misuse of HOA powers, fully documenting every incident and threatening letter. Within days, the tables had turned, and suddenly it wasn't me being threatened, it was Karen's family under scrutiny. When Karen's daughter came to the pool again, she froze. The once smug expression vanished as she realized I wasn't alone and that my legal team wasn't just a bluff. She had assumed she could bully her way into anything, but she hadn't counted on law and persistence backing me. From that moment on, the pool was mine, the harassment stopped, and I finally felt the satisfaction of standing up for what was right. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more dramatic confrontations and justice-served tales